Foundations of Fitness, Beginner's Push-Up Workout Explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a video all about Foundations of Fitness, Beginner's Push-Up Workout Explained. So, let's get started. In this video, I want to share with you an amazing beginner's push-up workout that'll transform your fitness journey. You don't need any gym equipment for this. All you need is a mat and some space. First things first, let's start with the classic 1-0-1 push-up exercise. Here's how it works. Start with 10 standard push-ups, then move on to 2 explosive push-ups, think clap push-ups or plyo push-ups, and finally finish with 1 more standard push-up. Remember to maintain good form throughout each set. Next up, we have the 1-0-2-1 decline push-up exercise. For this one, you'll need a step or a bench to position yourself in a decline position. Again, follow the 1-0-2-1 format for this exercise too. And always remember to keep your core engaged and maintain a neutral spine during each rep. That's it for today's fitness tips. By incorporating these 2 exercises into your routine, you'll be well on your way to building strength and endurance in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness advice and workouts. Until next time.